I got me a number of deals going on right now. A few more than I could handle properly. I was wondering if maybe a smart boy like you was looking for a way to pick up some extra spending money. Yeah? Well, let me tell you what I got cooking. You like animals? Of course you do. What boy doesn't like animals, right? But do you like wild animals? Yeah, because I got me a wild animal a couple of days back. I got me a wild animal like you wouldn't believe. Right here on this property. And I got plans for him. I got some big plans. Only thing is, he needs some taken care of, you know, like some daily maintenance. You following me, son?
Yes, sir.
All right. Come on, get in the Jeep. I'll take you for a ride, show you what I'm talking about.
But I'm supposed to be sweeping.
Says who? What, that worthless daddy of yours? Huh? He ain't the boss. He ain't nobody's boss. I'm the boss.